for our first example, in finding the coterminal angles or the smallest positive and smallest negative coterminal angles of pi over 6 radian. Again, this is in radian form. Okay? So, first, kailangan muna natin malaman kung yung ating angle ba or angle theta is greater than 2 pi or less than 2 pi. So, to know that, so tingnan lang natin yung numerical coefficient dito sa taas. This is 1. Hindi lang nakalagay, pero 1 yan, over 6. So, 1 divided by 6, mas malaki ba yun sa 2 pi? So, it is less than 2 pi. So, therefore, ang gagamitin nating formula is less than 2 pi. So, ito yung formula na gagamitin natin. Okay po? So, that is SP is equal to positive, negative, theta plus 2 pi. Yan. So, that's SP. So, that is pi over 6 plus 2 pi. Ayan. So, dapat marunong kayong mag-add at mag-subtract ng decimal fractions. Okay? So, this time, ang denominator natin dito is 1. And then, 6 times 1. Gamitin lang natin yung butterfly method. So, 6 times 1 is 6. And then, cross product. Pi times 1 is pi. 6 times 2 pi is 12 pi. So, the answer is 13 pi over 6 radian. Okay? Next, smallest negative, Sn, is equal to, same formula, is equal to pi over 6. Ay, sorry. Hindi siya same formula. So, pagka Sn is negative, minus pala, minus. Yan, minus. Sorry. And then, minus 2 pi. Of course, the denominator is 1. And then, gamitin natin ng butterfly method. Sa mga di nakakalam ng butterfly method, so we just multiply the denominator. Yan. So, that is 6 times 1 is 6. And then, we are going to use the cross product. Pi times 1 is pi. Then, copy the sign minus. And then, 2 pi times 6 is 12 pi. And pi minus 12 pi is negative 11 pi over 6 radian. So, this is the